guys, I'm doing exercise here. I will go up and down for 5 times. After that, I will eat a lot. So hi John. John Kenny, your friend. I'll remove the stick here. Branch. 67 steps, but it's not slippery. It's okay. So I don't like this kind of vine. It's sharp. It's sharp. It's like needle. It's sharp. I don't know the name. So I'll cut this later. Already. I will do it exercise later this week. Woohoo! Woo! So good morning, flower. Hi. Flower in the rain. So the sky is not dark now. I think the rain is over. Not sure. The weather is changing a lot. I'll drink buko again. We'll eat young coconut. Ay. Lingkod sa ta. Ay, Diyos ko. So hi to you, Ate Bluis, Aqua, hi Ate, and Italian Pinay, and Etalik. So thank you so much Ate for watching my videos. And Daites, hi there. DVG Kitchen and more. Hi to you and your family. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And we have a new friend from Fiji Island. Thanks. I saw your comments. Thank you so much. And also Choi Expat. So Choi Expat. So hi to you and to your wife. So and to all our friends, thank you so much guys for watching. And again, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will look for young coconut. And God bless everyone, and I hope to see you again in my next video. And thanks for your time. Thanks for spending time watching my videos. I really appreciate that. And take care. God bless us always. So there's no more rain, so it stopped last night. So the ground is dry already dry. So I then put chlorine in here because it's turned green. So the river, the creek also, the creek is not there's no more lots of water. So I wake up late today. 9 o'clock. So I wake up because I was very hungry. So, but it's the sun is not so bright. Later it will rain again. And chicken, hi chicken. So it's time for me to eat dinner. No, it's lunch. I didn't eat breakfast. So this afternoon we're going to church. It's Wednesday here, and then it's we have midweek service, a prayer meeting. So there's lots of leaves here. Malukso ko sa Ginoo. So this area, guys, right here, I will plant cassava, and this side it's sweet potatoes. So it's not done yet. So we'll clean this week, tomorrow. So I will look for what you call that, bulanghoy, cassava, and then it's Wednesday, it's a market day today, and sweet potatoes. So guys, I think that's it for today. This is the update of our life here in the province in Burgos, and thank you so much for watching, and we really appreciate it, and thank you so much, and thanks to all your comments, and God bless everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope to see you again on my next video. God bless and stay safe. Enjoy life.